Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will make a program to swap two values, to swap two numbers. So let's start. Hash include header files are conio.h, hash include stdio.h, stdio.h, void declare some variables. For example, we are taking a and b in integer data type. So clear screen. Printf. Our first output will be enter the first number. Enter the first number and scanf. %d. Percentage is because we take our variables in integer data type. And address operator a is our variable, first variable. So printf enter the second number or value. Scanf %d, comma, address operator b. So printf. Okay, firstly we have to display that before swapping our numbers are these and after swapping our numbers are these. So first of all, before swapping a is equal to your first number is equal to, that is your choice what you are taking, and is equal to %d, p is equal to %d. Now comma a and b. This %d denotes a and this b. So enter. Now what our logic is? Our logic is a is equal to b, that swap our values, that will swap our values. A is equal to a plus b, b is equal to a minus b, and a is equal to a minus b. Let me tell you how this logic work. Okay, suppose we are taking a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. A is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. So first our formula is a is equal to a plus b, and a is equal to a plus b. So our modified value of a will be 10 plus 20, 30. According to first formula, a is equal to a plus b, we get the modified value of a, that is equal to 30. Now the second formula is b is equal to a minus b, b is equal to a minus b. So our b value of b is not yet modified, so a is 30, 30 minus 20 will be equal to 10, b will be equal to 10. Our modified value of b is 10. Now according to third formula, a is equal to a minus b, and final modified value of a will be equal to A minus B. A is 30 and B is 10. That will equal to 20. So our values are swapped. You can see A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Now B is equal to 10, A is equal to 20. So very simple. This was just an example that I'm showing to you. And printf space, okay, printf after swapping A is equal to %t, B equal to %t. So A, T. Now A, P. This is the right identification. So get CH. Curly brace. Now run it. Suppose A is equal to 10 and second number is 30. So before swapping our A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 30, and after swapping A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 10. For proper identification you can put here change line, and here also run it. Suppose our first number is 23 and second is 32. So before swapping A is equal to 23 and B is equal to 32, and after swapping A is equal to 32 and B is equal to 23. So very simple program.